often asked, why do I need sunscreen? Well, ultraviolet rays from the sun generate free radicals which cause oxidative damage to the skin, leading to inflammation in the skin. It also causes disruption of skin barrier, inadequate or slow skin repair, premature aging like fine lines, wrinkles and solar comedones. UV rays can also cause pigmentation, tanning, burning, freckle, lentigens, melasma and even PIH. In rare cases, it can also cause skin cancer. Ultraviolet A rays can also pass through a closed window, a glass window, so you need to apply a sunscreen even indoors. In fact, blue light radiating from your screens like laptop, TV, mobile phones can also affect your skin. Due to all these factors, it is very important to always use a sunscreen whether you are indoors or outdoors. Your sunscreen should be broad spectrum, SPF 30 to 50 and should be applied in large quantities and repeated every 3 to 4 hours.